pre-K families, I am Suzie Kelley, the pre-K director for Cabot Public Schools, and I'm standing in front of one of the most exciting additions to our district this year, Pre-K South and Pre-K North. That's right, this year we're opening 2 brand new buildings designed just for our youngest Panthers. I'm so excited to welcome you to the brand new school year because this is where your adventure begins. For the first time, Pre-K will have its own space, its own campus, and its own big adventure. Our teachers are already moving in, decorating classrooms, and getting ready to welcome your child. We are so excited, and we hope you are too. Here are a few important things to know. All Pre-K students will be car riders. We'll be posting a video soon to walk you through the car line procedures, and yes, our building includes a safe room, but we'll share more about that in a separate video. Pre-K follows a different calendar than K-12. Please make sure you're looking at the right one. You can find it on our website under Parents and Students tab or on the free Cabot Public Schools app under Resources. Teacher assignments for Pre-K students will be emailed on Monday, August 4th, so be on the lookout for that exciting news. Then make plans to attend Open House on Thursday, August 7th from 3 to 7 p.m. It's a drop-in event and your child's teacher can't wait to meet you. The first day of Pre-K is Tuesday, August 12th. Drop-off starts at 7:15 a.m. First bell is at 7:50 and students are considered tardy after 8 o'clock. Dismissal is at 2:30. If you are arriving late or picking up early, please check in at the main office. There's no supply fee for Pre-K. Just send your child with a backpack, a lunchbox if they're bringing their lunch from home, and a pre-filled water bottle. We know you may still have questions, and that's okay. You'll get a chance to ask at Open House, or feel free to reach out before then. Just give me a call at 843-3363 or email me at suzie.kelley@cabotschools.org. We are ready, we are excited, and we cannot wait to meet your family because at Pre-K, this is where the adventure begins.